Hey everyone, I'm excited to finally unveil the new membership program that we've been working on over the last couple of months. Um, this is purely for, at this stage, for just you guys, the members. We're going through a beta stage over the next 2 to 3 weeks before launching it live to everyone. And this video here is going to talk to you about sort of give you a tour of the new membership, go through the sign up process, all that. It's a massive step up from where we came from Hiveo. Hiveo was very much a sort of just held our payments. It wasn't really designed to be a membership platform. Really just had these exclusive videos which we didn't really utilize that much. But basically the big benefits, obviously, that was the fight nights, the Discord, the club in game, the icon, talking with the guys, which we're all taking pretty much to the next level with the new membership program. So yeah, I guess I'll start. So this here, what you're seeing here is the home page. You'll actually need to enter in a password to get here, which I'll show you what it looks like. So you'll come up to this page. Password is Wolfpack224. Take you to this. The promotion video plays here. This is essentially all just one page. Tabs here just go down. So the big thing that we're changing is, instead of having one just tier, we have separated into 3 tiers: Cub, Wolf, Alpha Wolf, sort of the progression of, start off with the Cub, Wolf, Alpha Wolf. You can come in at any time to purchase these. I will preface by saying, obviously, you guys are seeing these prices. It's a bit of a step up from the $3 a month. We feel like that we delivered some really good value, specifically the access to the guys, but we didn't have the platform that we had previously, which was sort of the idea behind the $3 a month was a big test thing, but every current member, will actually get 50% off these prices. So if you are a Cub member, which is close to what you're paying now, there's $3.50 a month, which will be $7 a month, and this would be $14 per month. You will start off with a 30-day free trial, so that's sort of the beta phase, and then you guys can upgrade, downgrade as you like after that, or anytime. So going through these benefits, Dials icon, 2018 icon. If you have it already, you can get it sent to a friend of yours or a Smurf account. In-game club is what we had before, just the club. Exclusive content, we want to do a lot more of that than what we did previously, but that's all the behind-the-scenes stuff. Discord server, obviously what we're using, and we've been used to sort of grow the community over the last year. Wolf is everything in Cub plus the fight nights, and then Alpha Wolf is everything in these 2 tiers plus coaching courses, which I'll talk through a little bit about, and groups, which I will also talk a little bit about later. Then we have the loyalty program. We're still working on this. 20 years, you might see, that's a very long time. We definitely want 10 to at least be the maximum for this highest tier. Obviously esports changes every year, so it's hard to say that. Typically in traditional sports, you have, say, the highest tier is access to special facilities, special tickets for games. Obviously we're not really at the stadium level at the moment for us, weekly stadium games, but that's something that we're working towards, and is the vision for esports that I personally have, and I think we'll get there. So yeah, we're still working on the benefits there. A lot of you guys have already hit the 1 year, so there will be like instant benefits once we actually sort that out, and then you climb there. So it's sort of copying the ranking system: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Nominate your mates. This is new. Still working on the actual rewards for this, but this is sort of a rough draft. We'll definitely have recruiting a friend. Any new one member, you'll get a 975 RP skin of your choice, and then these come up. We've got some exciting ones here, like the recruit 30 new members, and you'll get a private tour of our high performance center here, and we'll fly you out. And here is just some frequently asked questions, which I'm still working on. As I said, this is still a rough page. I'm still working on this. It won't look like this when it's actually launched. But yeah, so now I'll run you through the actual sign up process. So let's purchase a Alpha Wolf membership. So you hit the buy now, enter in a name. I'll just enter in my name. Use a test email. Summon a name. Create terms and conditions. Obviously read that if you want to have a look at that. Credit card. I will blank out the screen for this. So as I said, everyone signing up to the beta version, which is technically this, but it will roll on to your the actual membership. Will be a 30-day free trial plus, and then you'll be paying whatever amount, half price of the tier for forever. So if we ever up the prices for the membership after this, you guys will still be paying whatever you're paying after you're signed up here. 21. Alright, then you'll hit complete order. And this will take you to a success page saying you've successfully signed up. And here you'll have instructions, so follow these. So you'll get an email. You'll get an invoice with your membership. You should say that you've paid nothing, and then right here, monthly payments starting Thursday, 8th of March, $14 a month. The email can take, where is it? It can take up to 10 minutes. I'm still working on the speed of that. It should come instantly, but at the moment that's not working. So I might stop the video here and wait till that comes in. Alright, so email has come in. For some reason it landed in my promotions folder. It could be in your spam folder, but just double check that. So this is the welcome email with your details. So let's enter the den, which will take you to the login screen, and you'll put this here. So you can change this password once you're actually in there. This is just to log you in for your first login. Alright, so this is essentially the dashboard, the home page for your membership login. As you see here, it says beta. This is still beta phase. This is what we've got so far. The main part of the beta phase is to get your guys' feedback. So test out everything in here. I'll run through everything over the next couple of minutes, and then yeah, we'll make changes as we see fit. We've already played around with some things, but yeah, the design of this is to be as user friendly as possible. So here you see a test video. This will actually be this video that I'm recording now. So yeah, welcome to the Wolfpack. Here's the checklist to sort of get people started. These should be links to actually doing these things, but I'll run you through them manually for now, since this is again the beta version. So dashboard here, this is the main homepage here, so you can see who's online, recently active people, all the guys are all set up. Forums, stuff in forums, newest members, so as you can see I signed up 2 seconds ago. The courses, which will be only accessible to alpha members. Events, this is all where Fight Nights will go as well. We don't have any scheduled in there yet. Your points, which I'll talk about a little bit later. Top 5 members, which is based on the points, and this is how to earn the points. So yeah, I'll just briefly run through these side things. So profile, this is where you can add a profile picture, which was in the checklist. You can actually take a photo with your webcam as well. I don't have a webcam on this computer, so I can't do that. Cover photo is similar to like Facebook, Twitter, anything like that. Friends here, I don't have any friends. You can see who's online. Still working with the sidebar stuff. This will probably look a bit better than that. My account. So this is where you can update your membership details. This takes you to a separate hub for the payment. Here you can change your email address, change your password, and also cancel your membership, which I hope no one ever does. So yeah, change password is also one of the things. You can change that there. All members, this is just a list of all the members. Group leaders, this is what the guys, doubles players will be group leaders. We'll talk more about groups soon. Activity, this is just everything that's gone on, so you can see everything that's going on right now, what's happened, it's 5 days ago, in the membership platform. OPL tips just takes you to the OPL tipping website. I'm trying to get this to go to the actual Direwolves tipping that we've got going at the moment. Nominate your mates is just sort of reminding people about the Nominate Your Mate program. This won't be going until we actually go live, so unfortunately you guys can't get friends in and claim your skin just yet, but after the beta version is finished, then we'll kick into gear for that. But as I said, the Recruit One will definitely be that. I'm still working on the rest of the benefits. And we're also thinking the top recruiter for each month will go to win a prize for one of our sponsors, so sort of some rewards and benefits for you guys getting your friends, your mates into the Wolfpack as well. Loyalty program is just that reflection of the homepage. We're still working on that. Ladder is a ladder for the points, so I briefly showed you the points before. Streams takes you to the streams page. This one takes a little bit longer to load for some reason. Still working to fix that, but this has all Dials player streams and members streams, so if you guys have any streams you actively stream, you actually want to put that on here, we can get that added. And then we have logout. There's also the Discord, so people can join the Discord from here instead of having to click the invite link. It's just a much smoother progress. This here just pulls the side navigation in and out. Blog is any member news. At the moment we have thank you to the founding members. I'll probably put a post in the Facebook Discord about this, but this is essentially a list of everyone. Oh yeah, so that's another thing as well. So some of you obviously are alpha members. You sign up as alpha members, but we're going to be merging founders and alpha members. So all I think there's about 76 of you who signed up over the last year will be classed as founders. This is going to be archived, so if your name is not on here, send me a message. You can see the post in the actual dashboard itself to have a look, but this also has the date that you joined. If there is any inaccuracies here, just send me a message. So blog here will just be all member news. Fight Nuts will be on here. Also general Direwolves news will be on here. Videos will be the same as this is sort of like iVio, so we don't have any sort of new stuff in there at the moment, but you can click a video here, watch a video. This will be exclusive content only for Direwolves members. Forums, so this is going to be the big sort of communication channel that we're going to have in the membership program. So to talk a little bit about this, obviously we had the Discord over the last year, which it was really good. Obviously a lot of you guys have met each other through that, and you play, you jump on, play League together, play other games together through it. We definitely want to keep the Discord. Obviously one of the issues that we faced with the guys, the Direwolves players interacting with you guys was Discord's not really, it's more of like an instant messaging service, and obviously the guys are practicing, they have a pretty full-on schedule. They don't really, it's hard to jump on and start talking, and then, obviously you guys sort of expect them to respond instantly, but sometimes they might be caught up by something. And this here, the forums, is more of like a database, or an archive of all the things. Like, you guys can ask them questions and they'll actively respond on these questions. So it's more or less that Discord, it's easy to, it's not my Discord. to messages to get lost. So say if someone asks, what's your what like ask King, like what is your advice on a Varus build, and you answer that, and then it sort of just goes away. And in forums, you can actually search it here in the you can search Varus build or something like that, and you can actually find that yourself. So it'll be there forever. So Discord things go away. It's great. It would definitely keep it. It's great for the instant messaging and for the community to interact. But this is going to be the Discord is going to be more for just general, like all the members, and forums is going to be interaction with Dival's players. The guys will still try and jump on Discord whenever they can, but the big communication will happen here in the forum. So we have here forum topics, fight nights, which is only for Wolf and Alpha members. This will be stuff like highlights, like event postings, all that sort of stuff. Top chippies, so that's for anything questions you guys have for chippies and top lane, jungle, Shermfire, mid triple. So these topics will actually have topics in them, like you guys can ask questions there, start new topics. Alpha Wolf members, I'll talk more, that leads into the groups. General discussions for anything general. At the moment I think we got some threads in there that I've just thrown in there. What was the first champion you mained and bought? So I'll sort of show you what it looks like. So I started the topic here, and then Mask jumped in, Rapids jumped in, Peanut jumped in there. So I'll go back to the main forums. So introduce yourself was one of the things that we had on the checklist in the dashboard. Just jump in here. All the guys have started some threads already. There's some guidelines that I've posted here. You'll need to go back to the forum and create a new topic answering these, but you can do that whenever you want. So yes, that's the forums. That's something we want to spend a lot of time. Like hopefully you guys spend a lot of time on there. Any questions you guys want to ask or any general discussion, still obviously use the Discord, but this is more of like a things that you want to stick. And obviously the more that you guys put into this, the more other members can also get out of it as well and interact. So it's really important that we that this does obviously get used a lot on the side here. Recent posts, replies, topics. That's just sort of keeping you up to date with that. Your points again, friends. I don't have any friends at the moment. I'll show you that soon. Fight night. This is completely coming soon, but we do have an events page, which will have the fight nights as well. But that will sort of be the dashboard for the highlights. Sorry, the fight nights. So here we have just the calendar. You can view it as in a list, which just has that. So that's where the fight night, any events will come up. Courses. So this is the big Alpha Wolf benefit. So all the guys will be creating. We already have some courses that you guys can access. We're still creating the courses, but this will be basically a suite of anything getting better at League of Legends, basically. So obviously the guys, they spend a lot of time playing the game. They're professionals for a reason. They have a lot of knowledge, and they want to help you guys get better at the game. So we'll jump into a course at the moment. So Curtis has built a 10 Steps to Challenger. This is actually functioning at the moment. Here, sidebar will have the navigation for the course, your course progress. So if I jump in and I start the course here, so all the courses are video, but we might have some written stuff here that we will chuck on the blog. So here you'd start the video. Curtis is talking about being competent in 2 roles. This is 10 Steps Challenger course. Once you've finished it, you can get also course discussion. You can discuss. This is in the groups. Actually, I'll talk about that later. So hit mark complete, and this will automatically take you to the next lesson, which is here, and it will also cross it off. This is your progress. So there's 10 videos in here. We're going to add a bunch of different courses, but this is going to be what we're going to add to over the year. We're going to add new things all the time, but this is we're going to sort of do like a 101, like really basic stuff for now. So that leads me into the groups, which goes on from the discussion. So each of the guys, this is again only for Alpha Wolf members, each of the guys has their own group, and the members can talk in here, like you sort of have like a Facebook war feed thing. So I can say, you know, what's your top pick in the meta right now, and then Chippy's here. We'll get a notification. Notifications come here, and then you can reply to that. That should have posted. Yep, right, is a topic here, so this is this, and then you can comment to it. But we also want to use the forums for groups as well, so each group has their own specific forum, again only accessible to so let's do one here saying top 3 picks in the meta, in the current meta. You can click here to get notified when someone actually responds to it. Oh, whoops, it needs a title. So that's the title there, and you go wondering what the what your top picks are at the moment. So you can hit submit, and this will add it here, and then this is just a forum here, and then Chippies will come in, reply. The course will be attached to the course. He hasn't built his course yet, but each of the guys will have their own course specifically for their role, and this is just how many members are in each of the groups. So at the moment, Churn with his profile pictures in there. This is just a sidebar. This will probably be a little bit different than that, but that's what we got at the moment. So up here will be notifications, so any sort of friend request, anything like that. You can also view that in the profile tab. Friends, this is where you can add people. So if you go into the all members, and let's say I want to add Shern as a friend, he'll get a friend request, he'll pop up as a notification for him. Here is just basically stuff that's in your profile, so it's just like an easier, this is more designed for mobile. Messages, you can message people individually as well, so once Shern accepts me I can actually message him. The points history, this is just how many points, so this goes back to the point system, which we'll actually talk about. So here we have a little support thing, so any problems you guys have, just message this. The FAQ here talks about Wolfpack points. How do I earn Wolfpack points? This is at the moment how it's going to work. So add in profile picture 100 points, 50 points, adding a friend, profile activity, limiting some of these will, so these aren't limited obviously because this is a one-off, but some of these will be limited, so you know you guys obviously aren't spamming, you just get some points. And what do I get with points? So these are, at the moment, it's like a sort of a badge that you'll have on your profile. So as you can see, Rapids here, he is an Alpha Wolf and he has a Doran Shield, which is the base rank that you start with points. As you get more points, you get a different icon. So Tear of the Goddess at 1,000, Kindle Gem, Rabnon's Death Cap, the highest at 20,000 points, which will take a good time to acquire. But the idea is to sort of, obviously show people are really active on the forums, and there might be some extra benefits and maybe prizes or something for that as well, as with the ladder there, which we can keep track of. So this is, so going onto someone's profile, you get to see their cover photo and their wall. Rapids looking fresh there. You can see what forums they've commented in. Rapids has no friends apparently. So I'll also show you how that comes up in the forums. So this here, once I upload a profile picture, this will be a profile picture, and then here is a cover photo. So if I go to the introduce yourself thread, and I go to Peanuts thread, in the forums here it says their rank and what membership they have. So obviously this will be a Rabnons once you actually hit the Rabnons thing, but that will take some time. I guess that's sort of a brief, pretty in-depth actually. Go back to the dashboard of the new membership hub. As I said, this is the beta phase, so we're going to be testing a lot of things. A lot of this is going to get changed over the next couple of weeks, but the idea is for you guys to come in, play with things, try and break things, It's as I said, this is the time to work things out before we actually get people coming in from the public and open up the membership. So yeah, shoot through any questions you have. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys get on here, get the forums start up and running, and yeah, we're looking forward to seeing how this goes. As I said, last year was a big test and learn for us, but we've felt like we've made a really awesome new solution for you guys, and yeah, that's it from me. I'll talk to you guys later.